I'm Michelle J. Lynn, and I'm a registered dietitian. Today we are making coconut energy balls with Boost Just Protein. It's important to have snacks throughout the day to help keep our hunger levels down and our energy levels up. So a good packable snack has to be portable, practical, and nutritious. The benefits of making our own snacks over store-bought is we get to control the ingredients that we put in our snacks. We can also customize it to our likes and our own preferences. And then the secret ingredient is Boost Just Protein, and I'm going to add half a cup. Protein is important in these snacks because it slows digestion, helps you feel full, and stabilizes blood sugar levels. So 2 to 3 hours later, I have my energy bites finished here. I'm gonna pack some of them to go. And then I'm gonna have one myself. I'm gonna go for chocolate because chocolate's my favorite. It's really good. You gotta try this recipe out.